Hello guys, sanibonani and welcome back to my channel. Guys, nayi lineup for this week kuMadlanga Commission. So on Monday sina Dr. Mashazi bese on Tuesday sina uMinister Mkhunu low special leave, so kusasa kutobe kunaye. And then on Wednesday we have Brigadier Julius Mkhwanazi lokumele atotiphendulela ukuthi letinto letikhulunywa ngeligama lakhe ngabe tiliqiniso ngabe timanga, and then tovakala khona uma sekafikile yena ukuthi yini lelingaka leli pholo kuveta ligama lakhe. So yeah guys, bese on Thursday we have bekumele sibe no Shadrack Sibiya, but uGeneral uvele wathi cha, mine ngiyahlehlisa bafethu, angeke ngisakhona ukuta, angikho right, angiphilanga. Siyathi vele ukuthi lowo labaningi bathatha ukwenta ukuthi umuntu asakakaphili abe aphilile. Then on Friday kuthiwa kumele babe ne-wrap up for this part 1 of everything leyendekile, so that they can give Ramaphosa, our president, i-report about all ama-findings labawatholile, kubonakala ukuthi way forward ibhekisaphi for nyalo. But so far kumele bahlanganise bonke ubufakazi, konke la kuhlangana khona ba-connect-e, kubonakala ukuthi siphuma kanjani. Guys, please like, comment and subscribe. Ngidonibona ku video elandelayo. Bye.